Welcome back to Rolling Reed Ranch. Rolling with the Reeds. I'm Ron J. Reed, for those that don't know. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, I want you to make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when future videos come out. So today's video is dog feeder. Gotta build a dog feeder for my livestock guardian dogs, my pups. So we don't have to keep feeding them through the fence every day, whatever. It's just so I bought these Chow Hound 25-pound dog feeders, automatic dog feeders. But we need a place to feed the dogs so the goats can't get to the dog food. I heard a lot of stories about people's goats getting into the dog food and only want to eat the dog food and just get addicted to the dog food. So don't want that to happen. So we're gonna try to build a little cage around the dog feeders so the goats can't get in. I seen this little idea from Greg Judy, Regenerative Rancher. Great channel. Go subscribe. The way he built his automatic dog feeders, but he can pull his through the field and all that with a four-wheeler or by hand, whatever. But I'm gonna kind of take that concept, but it's gonna be fixed in one place because we only got young goats right now, so we're not doing any any mob grazing or intensive rotational grazing, just regular rotational grazing through this 2-acre paddock that I got them in. They're still young, so they're not eating a lot. So this can stay, fixed in one spot. So the dogs will come back to that spot. They know where the dog food is, and we'll rotate them in the area so they can always get back to their dog food. And just a quick video. Hopefully it shouldn't take that long to put it together. So this is the cage we're gonna use. I found this cage here on the property when we bought the property.
I know what place sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
All right, so this is what we did to the little cage. So this whole side was open, but as you can see, we could just put some welded wire on it. And this side was somewhat open as well. Had these cross beams, so we just put welded wire on each side. Put some of these twists on it, keep it on. But for the front side, so the dogs can get in, we cut off this bottom portion all the way across. I'm praying that the goats don't try to go up under that, try to get in, but that's plenty of room for the dogs. Even for when they get older. They just have to, get up in there sideways. I seen this kind of design from Greg Judy, Regenerative Rancher. Seen it's kind of somewhat, but I'm gonna fix this to the back side of the goat shelter. His is on sleds because he moves his, around the fields, whatever. He got thousands of acres, but we're not moving around yet. Don't have enough goats to mob graze. But so this is what we're gonna use for the dog feeder, so the goats can't get to the dog food. Oh, I cut this top open also right here, so we can put the dog feeders right down in here, and we just open up the tops to get to the dog food. And so what we're gonna do is gonna cover it up with a tarp to keep the rain and weather from getting in. And I'm gonna put this black mat on the bottom of it, keep grass from growing in there, so I ain't gonna try to weed eat or nothing up in there. So yeah. So now we got the tarp on, so I'm gonna get some zip ties. I'm gonna zip tie this to the top of this. And right here, where that opening is open here. See, this is just sitting down. I got a 2x12. I'm gonna lay across the top of this. Right, to hold this tarp down also, and it just close up this opening. All right, got the first dog feeder in, hanging from the back, and it's keeping this against the back of the shelter. Couldn't use these hose. I can't see it. You had to make my own hose because that wasn't working. I needed to pull towards the shelter. I didn't have any washers, so just made me a new couple holes real fast. But got one in. I'm gonna stall one more on the other side where my son is standing, so to push this back up against here, and we'll come back. Dog feeder done. I think I might have made this too high, but it's done. Got the tarp on top of it. Dog feeders installed. So it's done, old son. Then all we gotta do, come back here, take this 2x12 off. Whee! And fold this back. Boom. Dog food. Dog food. Shut them back. Here. Fold it back. 2x12 back on top.
By that ladder.
Damn. Each one of them hold 25 pounds of dog food, so I can put 50 pounds of dog food. Huh? Put 50 pounds of dog food in there. Then no more feeding. Having to come out here and feed the dogs every day. They should be able to walk up under there easily. That's why I say I think I made it too short, but we're gonna see. I mean, made it too high, not too short. I made it too high. Hopefully them goats don't get in it. Get that cup. Put half in that bag and half, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta go inside, dude.
What's that problem? Find the opening, brother. Inside. No.
No.
Come on. You smell it. Come on. This is right here. Come on. Terry, come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. Good boy, yeah. Good boy, yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Boy.
You gotta go to the other one, brother. Come on. Push it open. There you go. Push it open. Come on. There you go. Yeah.
Good boy. Push it back open. It's right here. Just push it open. Look. Push it open. Push it open. Come here. Come on, it's right here.
Do it again. Yeah, boy, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Y'all go ahead, get it there. Let him be, let him be. He can figure it out. He'll learn.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That's it for the short video of the day. DIY dog feeder, little cage for the dogs. So now we don't have to come out here and feed them every single morning. They got enough food in there for last them. I mean, they pup still, so his little fat tail over there still eating. But they done figured it out already. That's all we needed. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when the next videos coming out. Got a lot coming. Got a lot coming this summer. You know, follow along with us. Roll along with us. Rolling Reed Ranch. Rolling with the Reeds.